Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp data from an iPhone to an Android device using DroidKit. Launch DroidKit and navigate to the Data Manager section. Select the WhatsApp Manager function and choose the WhatsApp to device mode. Connect your iPhone and Android devices to your computer using USB cables. DroidKit APK will be installed automatically on your Android phone. Please allow it to access the files. Tab Transfer Now icon. Please open WhatsApp app on Android. Tap Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Choose Only When I Tap Backup option and click Backup button. After configure the settings, please click the Next button. Enter iPhone screen passcode and log in iPhone WhatsApp account. Log in WhatsApp account on Android and click Continue icon. Please follow the instructions to give access permission on Android. Tap Continue on Android phone, and click OK button on DroidKit app. Tap OK on Android phone and click OK button on DroidKit app screen to continue. Enter password 1234 to backup WhatsApp to the computer. Then, please click the Backup My Data button. Please enter password 1234 on phone screen to restore the backup to Android. The chats will be transferred to Android phone. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp data has been successfully transferred from your iPhone to your Android device using DroidKit.